night was dark, the wind blew high, and bitter looked the day, when 10 stout boats with gallant crews set sail from Dundrum Quay. And as they parted from the shore, and those they loved so dear, each man stood up and waved his hat and gave a lofty cheer. Now there's one young girl stood amongst the crowd, her name was Fanny Bell. She climbed the rungs to bid adieu to those she loved so well. To young McGinnis she was pledged with a heart both true and fond, and united they were soon to be in wedlock's holy bond. And she run unto her mother's home, the tears stood in her eye. Oh, mother dear, 'tis great I fear there's danger in the sky. Scarcely had she spoken these words when the sea gave a mighty roar. She hastened from her mother's side and ran back to the shore. And it's many's a look the fishers took to see if help was nigh. They were too far out, the seas increased, all human help went by. Boat after boat was sunk that night between the salt sea grave, and 72 fine fishermen have met a wantry grave. And Newcastle town is one long street, entirely strength of men, and near to end a village small has lost no less than 10. Aye, and along a widow woman, 3 sons from her were torn, and widows, orphans, and sweethearts will now weep in deep mourn. So all you folks that hear this song, give pity and a sigh, and think on these poor fishermen who were doomed that night to die.